So in last video we have seen how to use super keyword to call parent class method when that method is overridden in its child class. Now today we are going to see how to call super class method. So here is our demo 9 package, and here within this package I am creating one class and naming this class as main 2. This is going to be our main class, so we have to check it right. This public static void main. So this is our demo package and this is our main class. Now here we have I'm creating one class and naming it as parent, and within this parent class I'm creating one instance variable I, and we have to create constructors. So constructors are the methods which has the name same as class name and they don't have any return type. So here we have class name as parent, so constructor name will be same. So parent is the name of that constructor, and here within this bracket I'm passing one argument. I'm saying putting integer a variable in it as a local variable, and here I'm saying I equals to a. Whatever the value of a will be assigned to I, and then we are going to print the value of this I. So system.out dot print ln, and here we are saying parent class variable I value is equals to, here we have to put plus sign and then we can print the value of I. Save. Now after this we are going to create a child class. So class child extends parent, and within this child class also I'm creating one variable. This is our instance variable. I'm naming it as I only, and to create constructor of it, for that child, and here within this constructor I'm passing one integer argument is 8, and after this I'm saying I equals to a, and here we can print the value of I. System.out.println, and child class variable I value is equals to, and here we have to put concatenation symbol and then I. Save it. Till now we haven't called that parent class constructor. Now here it is showing an error. What it is saying, implicit super constructor parent is undefined, must explicitly invoke another constructor. So here we have to put the super keyword to call that parent class constructor. As we have taken integer a as an argument, so here we have to pass one integer value. I'm passing 5 in it. So what it will do, it will put this 5 in place of this a, and then it will assign 5 to I, and then it is going to print the value of I as 5. Now here in main class I'm creating object of this child class. Child ch is the name of object equals to new child. So here we have created object ch. As we have passed a as an integer argument, so we have to put the value of a. So here I'm saying value of a is 4. Save. Now what it is going to do, here we have passed 4, so it will first go to this child constructor, it will put 4 in place of this a. Now it is calling, first statement is super 5, that means if you want to call super class constructor, then that super statement should be the first statement of derived class constructor. So this is derived class and its constructor is child, and the super should be the first statement of it. So what it is going to do, when it gets this super 5, then then control will go to this parent class and 5 will be placed in place of a. A will be 5 will be assigned to I, and it is going to print value of 5 as I as 5. So first it is going to print this statement. Parent class variable I value is 5, and after that it will assign A to I. Here A is 4, so 4 will be going to I, and it is going to print value of I in child class is 4. So save it and then run it. So the first statement it has printed is parent class variable I value is equals to 5, and second statement is child class variable I value is equals to 5. So while invoking superclass constructor, we must put super as the first statement of this derived class. So here we have put super as our first statement of constructor of this derived class.